Hey, hello friend, this is Preetham. Today we are going to discuss what is the roles and responsibility of Windows System Administrator. But before we start, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So, friend, basically Windows Administrator is a system administrator basically who specializes in installation, configuration, and maintaining Windows-based servers. Okay, so he also configure user access and maintain system stability and data security through deployment and migration. Okay, this role requires extensive familiarity with Windows servers and frequently involves both risk assessment and user support tasks. Okay, so here we are going to see the exact in detail roles and responsibility of Windows administrator. Okay, so but while the specific duties of Windows administrator can vary based on their business and industry, the general responsibilities of this role includes uh, like you can say a Windows administrator main responsibilities to install, set up Windows system and servers. Okay, so they develop servers and provide support to individual users to ensure that the system works reliably and quickly. They may also answer user questions throughout the setup and installation process. In this role, Windows administrator also build the server's backend architecture include databases and scripts for a specific application and user needs. So next is support. Okay, so basically an Windows administrator also provide technical support and guidance to users and other administrators. Okay, in many cases the Windows administrator works closely with the IT departments and professionals to answer technical questions or resolve issues with server performance and access. They may directly install and maintain Windows based programs for end access users. Okay, and also helps in debugs these applications so that they work with Windows servers. Okay, so then maintenance. Okay, so and Windows administrator also conduct system maintenance activities usually on the server backend. This aspect of the role requires the Windows administrator to review error logs and user reported errors and then identify stable and reliable solutions. Then frequently Windows administrator need to work directly with the system code base to make necessary changes and then deploy those changes throughout the servers. Okay, this is all about the maintenance performs like performance and maintenance of the systems. Okay, so then monitoring system performance. Okay, so like in addition to maintaining Windows system and servers, Windows administrator also monitor performance to reduce interruption and server crashes. This can involve monitoring daily traffic logs. Okay, and then reports or working directly with end users. If the Windows administrator identify potential issues or bugs affecting server performance, then they develop and deploy proactive solution to ensure system usability across the organization. Okay, so then backups. Okay, so and Windows system administrator also perform a system backups. Okay, according to company or industry standards. Okay, so they may backup system weekly, daily, or more frequently depending on server space. Okay, so and a particular business needs. So this helps to ensure that the system can be quickly recovered after a crash or other outage and supports data integrity by ensuring that vital information is not lost during an outage or you can say in system backups. Okay, so then he performs he do the security checks regularly. Okay, so and Windows administrator also maintains system security by noticing faults and then faults within the server architecture. This part of job requires extensive knowledge of viruses and other sources of server vulnerability. Okay, and requires the Windows administrator to develop and deploy protection measures. Okay, so particularly when pushing out system wide changes that can open up new vulnerability. Okay, so then Windows administrator skills and qualification. Okay, so basically what are the basic qualifications required for this? Okay, so Windows administrator should have a high level of technical skills, specifically focus on working within the Windows operating system environment. Generally, a Windows administrator have at least bachelor's degree in related field. Okay, several years experience in a server side administration role, and the following skills, like you can say server administration, then you can say a Windows administrator need a high level of technical knowledge regarding Windows server setups, deployment and maintenance and migrations. Okay, so also he needs programming and coding. Okay, so he should be expertise in coding and writing programs. Is vital in this role. Windows administrator frequently need to work directly with the server codes to improve performance of the systems. Okay, then security, information security, basically they oversee server security. Windows administrator should also understand best practices and techniques to maintain and enhance information security. Okay, he should have a good analytical skills. Okay, this is a highly analytical role. Okay, so to require a Windows administrator to interrupt error logs, monitor system performance data, then access user information to ensure server reliability. Okay, then apart from that, a must needed into this like communication skill. Okay, because they frequently work with both IT professionals and end users. Okay, Windows administrator need effective written and verbal communication skills. Okay, so he should be a problem solving person. Okay, so basically Windows administrator often need to employ creative and technical problem solving techniques. Okay, so while installing, then you can say at the time of configuring, then maintaining and maintaining a Windows system and servers. Okay, this is all about the roles and responsibility of Windows system administrator. Hope all of you guys understand very clearly. Okay, so thanks for watching the whole video. We'll be there with the new video. Thank you very much, friends. Bye bye.